guys, welcome back. We are going to be playing rocitizens and redoing our house for this video. If it sounds like I'm eating, it's because I am. It's because I'm eating cookies. Me. But let's go my car. I'm quiet for a second because I'm just trying to focus on getting over here so we can design aspects of this house. So, if you didn't see last video, this is what our house currently looks like. It has this weird area that I don't really care, like, how it looks, but I don't use it a lot. But I just want to have it, like, a nice, appealing place to people who come here. Like, roleplay members and shit. But this is my kitchen. I don't use it very much. I don't really care about my hunger and sleeping and everything in this game. But up here, I'm not changing this room. This is for one of my friends. I don't want to change it and redo it. This is just going to stay the way it is. The bathroom, yeah, we're just going to store this now because I don't want to keep having to store everything everywhere. So this is going to be a really big pain in the butt. Oh, do this. This is probably the most furnished bedroom I have right now. So I'm going to pause this. I'll be back once this is all, like, swiped out and everything. So, the whole house is completely wiped out besides that one bedroom that I am not going to do. And you see my money is the same because I have to store it because it doesn't have the sell option anymore, which, yes, you still need that back because it was so much easier. It was like the easiest thing in the entire world. You don't have to right-click, go down, right-click to go down, right-click. And I was supposed to not do that. So, oh my god. Why did I keep doing that? I don't know how well you can hear my clicking, but I can't hear it much for myself. Why did I just do that? I just clicked left both times. If you're wondering how many things I had in this house, there's a lot, especially the bedrooms I had. You can probably buy a Jaguar with what's in my house. Jeez. I mean, if I get enough money to buy a Jaguar, just selling everything in my house, I don't get a problem with buying that instead. You know? I'll wait like 17 hours just to like finish this video because I want a Jaguar really, really bad. This might be the first time I've ever had $30,000 in this game. Definitely definitely gonna be the first time I've had $30,000 in this game. Whew. So, our budget is going to be $34,774, and it will be added on $500 every 10 minutes, which is going to be, it's going to add on that once, so it's not a lot. But, is it even playing? I can't even see the record thingy. So, I sold everything, did everything perfectly. This has now, we have $34,774 to upgrade this whole house. So, as you can see, everything's here. I never bought any money. I only have 4 Robux anyway. This is my life. This room is staying the same, that's why I'm keeping the door closed. And everywhere else is pretty much gone, besides the backyard, because the backyard I did that like a week ago, so I don't want to like take down something I already took down. But sorry, I have like a clogged throat right now. Let's go and do it. So first, let's plan out this room. Furniture. So, I want to go scroll down the farthest I can go, get this. So much like this. So I have $22,000 to do a normal part of the house, but right now I really wanted to get this thing in here, and I'm pretty sure my TV won't fit. Yep. Thanks to Roblox's most oversized TV in this game. So I'm gonna go and get. Let's go and get me a couch. Trying to think what color I really want it. I'm not gonna make a couch. Okay, ready. Get a trash can. And since it's almost Christmas, this will be in here. Is there presents? Is there present decorations? Checking the walls. Close. So, we all wish you a Merry Christmas. So it's Christmas here. Okay, so this room is done. Don't blame me on design aspects. Nothing is exactly finished, so. Since in this game we don't have full tables. What's the name of this creator again? Firebrand1. Go add some real tables for the dining room because I need it. I needs. Can I has, please? Okay. Yes, got it. Here we go. Where's some chairs? Chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have $18,000. They still bought a trash can. I got 8 because you never know, mate. You never know how many there can be. Anything's possible. Okay, let's make the easy ones over here. So when I first got my first batch of Robux, the first thing I thought of was to come on here. So while I'm designing this is a really good story to tell, but we got 4 minutes left of this video, so I might as well just stop here, come back, and show you a tour of what the remodeled place is. So I will show you that in a minute. So I just decided this video is going to be the first part, and tomorrow's video, and I mean tomorrow's video, will definitely be me going over this whole first floor and starting the second floor. This is going to be about a 3-part video, so that's going to be my game as parts. But I think I'm going to finish this first floor in the next time. So I'm going to go and get some roleplay off camera to have fun, because right now I'm basically doing this for you guys, and it's going to be a good video. But I'm just going to go and get myself a temporary bed, put it upstairs, just so I can sleep. Bed. Bed. We're going to buy this. Names and marriage finds. So, this is here, and hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!